Prepare your property for inspections and appraisals during a move so appraisal and lender requirements do not delay closing. Start by scheduling a pre-inspection walkthrough with your inspector or appraiser at least 2 weeks before your scheduled closing so you can address obvious issues early. During the walkthrough, ensure clear, unobstructed access to mechanical systems like the furnace, water heater, electrical panel, and HVAC condensers so the inspector can verify condition and serial numbers without moving boxes or furniture. Compile and bring a concise packet with maintenance records, permits for any major work, and receipts for recent upgrades. This helps substantiate condition and value and reduces time spent verifying facts. Prioritize quick safety fixes that most inspectors flag, such as repairing handrails, replacing non-functioning smoke or carbon monoxide alarms, and correcting visible trip hazards in walkways. Photograph any areas where improvements are in progress and provide a short written note on the timeline to completion so appraisers understand work is controlled and intended to be finished. If you made permitted upgrades like a new roof, new windows, or an updated kitchen, present permits and contractor contact information to show work was completed to code and will not surprise the lender. Common problems include blocked access to mechanicals, which forces delays because inspectors must return or estimate condition. Solve this by clearing a 3-foot perimeter around each service point and marking valves or panels with a sticky note. Another frequent issue is missing documentation for upgrades that lowers appraised value or triggers lender questions. Avoid that by assembling permits, warranties, and contractor invoices into one labeled folder or digital scan. A third concern is outstanding safety items such as faulty handrails or expired alarms that can hold up clearance. Address those with an inexpensive same-week repair or replacement and keep the receipts to show the work was completed before closing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find community advice specific to preparing for inspections and appraisals, and we make it easy for contractors to find work in their service area. We host an active discussion community where buyers and contractors share tips, contractor experiences, and checklists to make moving day and closing run smoothly.